Hi champions, today I'll tell you the journey of how I started Champions. Actually speaking, when I was in 3rd standard, on Republic Day, there was a speech by one IAS officer in my school. The speech was somewhat like this. The IAS officer said that you become what you think. At the end of the speech, we were discussing in the class and all the students were laughing. हम जो सोचते हैं वो बन जाते हैं, ऐसा कैसे पॉसिबल है? अगर मैं आज सोचूं कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर बन जाऊं, तो क्या मैं बन जाऊंगा? लेकिन दोस्तों, मैं आपको बताऊं, ये स्टेटमेंट एब्सोल्युटली ट्रूथ है। आप जो सोचते हो वो आप बन जाते हो। जब मैं 9th एंड 10th स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ता था तो मैं सोचता था कि कभी मैं इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल में कब पढ़ूंगा। मैंने बस सोचना शुरू किया। 2 साल के बाद में मैंने इस इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल का एंट्रेंस टेस्ट दिया और मैं वहाँ पर सेलेक्ट हो गया। जब मैं वहाँ स्कूल में पढ़ने लगा तो देयर वाज अ थॉट कि इफ़ आई हैव टू डू इंजीनियरिंग देन IITs आर द बेस्ट प्लेस। तो मैंने मन में सोचा मैं IIT में कैसे जाऊँगा। मैंने मन में सोचा, मैंने ट्यूशन शुरू किए, फाइनली आई गॉट सेलेक्टेड इन IIT। मेरे जो ड्रीम्स थे वो धीरे धीरे दे वर कमिंग ट्रू। व्हेन आई वाज इन द वेरी फर्स्ट ईयर ऑफ माय IIT, I used to think there are many intelligent children. I have no chance to top IIT. I have no chance to get a good rank in IIT. But still I thought I wanted a good rank. So in my very 3rd year, I wrote this exam called GATE. At that time, if you pass GATE and you are in IIT, you used to get a scholarship of some 10,000 rupees per month. And I was already rank 3 in GATE. My own class toppers were not at all there in top 100 ranks from IIT. फिर आगे के साल में मैंने सोचा कि पूरे 2-3 साल में मेरे को कभी भी IIT में 10 out of 10 ग्रेड नहीं आया। मैंने हार्ड वर्क किया। इन 1 semester, that was the last semester of my BTech IIT, I got 10 out of 10 grade. This is how I realized that dreams do come true, but you have to dream. आपको बड़ा सोचना पड़ेगा और आप उस दिशा में सोचते जाओ, आपको वो सक्सेस मिलती चली जाएगी। जब मैं IIT से निकला तो मैंने सोचा मुझे एक अच्छी जॉब की ज़रूरत है। I got one of the best jobs on campus. After having a job, I realized that I have an interest in teaching, in guiding small kids. A very prominent professor in IIT, his name was Professor V. Balakrishnan. I was deeply impressed with this guy. आप उनकी एक क्लास अटेंड करो, आप बोलोगे he is God. You attend the second lecture of his, you will say he is God's squire. Power of God will increase in every lecture. I got so inspired by him that I finally decided to become a teacher. So when I came to Mumbai for my job, I started looking for some platform where I can teach. I found a few students whom I can train for Physics Olympiad. Physics was my area of interest. धीरे धीरे मैंने फिजिक्स ओलंपियाड के लिए पढ़ाना शुरू किया। जब मैंने पढ़ाना शुरू किया तब तक इंडिया गॉट हार्डली एनी मेडल्स इन फिजिक्स ओलंपियाड। Slowly, when we started working hard, India started getting medals. And we got around 10 medals from Mumbai alone. That increased my interest in teaching. That was the time when I decided to start my own academy. Since this syllabus was related to regular IIT entrance exam, regular NEET entrance exam. So I decided to launch an academy for IIT and NEET. In 2012, when I started Champions Academy, I had some thoughts in mind. There are good academies in Kota, there are good academies in Hyderabad. Why should I start a new academy? Why shouldn't I take a franchisee of any of the academies which are performing good? Then I started doing some research, and that was the time when I realized that 11th and 12th are considered to be career deciding years for a child, and there is no academy which is checking the homework for children on everyday basis. There is no academy which is giving the homework to the students on everyday basis. There is no academy which is conducting the tests every week. There is no academy which is giving the improvement report, not the performance report, to the parent. Keeping all these factors in mind, I started my journey in 2012. That was a time when people discouraged me that don't start a new academy. There are already very good academies, you won't get students, you won't get ranks. But I remain firm on my decision. In 2015 onwards, I started getting the result. And today, dear students, I feel proud to say that there is no academy in Maharashtra, entire state of Maharashtra, which has produced 5 ranks in top 100 in IIT JEE Advanced. We have achieved this feat this year. I won't tell you what I am dreaming. I won't tell you what I am dreaming further. But yes, today also I do have dreams, and I'll tell you all about this after 5 more years. This is it for today. Thank you.